Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to put game demos on your Sony PSP. But first, connect your PSP via USB connector onto your computer. And go to Settings. USB connection, enable it. And there will be a file to pop up on your computer. Just click open folder to view files. After you open it, go to PSP folder, open it, to the game folder, open it. Let me invite this first because we gotta download the demo. Here it is at pspfanboy.com. And here at the side, click demos. And there's a value next to downloadable demo. Download the demo zip file. After you download it, extract the zip file, and the file will show, and drag it in your computer, in your Sony PSP game folder. Drag it. After you drag it, you are all ready to play your demo. Exit just mode. And here it is. You are now ready to play your Sony PSP game demo.